Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. A four-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday. Still Wednesday, May the 1st, 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle. The three-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the four-star Sudoku. Four-star Sudoku. Number 8463. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yes. Four Stars Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for Four Stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 2s, 2 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s, 2 6s, 2 7s. Come on. 3 8s and 3 9s. So it's divided. So I cannot pick one to start. Let me scan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have 1 and a 2 in this column, so no 1 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. So what are these missing numbers? In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. Okay. 3, 5, 7. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left, and 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, second row. So the 8 should be here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have 4 and a 5 in this third column, so no 4 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the third one, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4, 4, okay. 9, 6. Need a 6 here. Well, need a 7 here. Three, 3. Thinking, 9, 9. 2, 3, and the 4. 4 and the 6 is missing here. Alright. These 3 missing numbers. In this big square, the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 8 and a 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. And that means 1, the 2. Yeah. So 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7. 8 is missing. So 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. And look, we have 1 and a 2 in the middle row. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in this second column, so the first column, no, only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. Then, let me see. Need a 7 here. I need a 9 here. 9, 9, 9, 9. Need a 5 here. 5, 9, and the 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. In this column, first column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have 4 and a 9 in this row. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 5. Okay, 3, 5, 7. Yeah. 2, 2. 8, 8. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Let me think. 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. So no 7 there, 7 should be here. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left of the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. So the 3 and the 6 are missing. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 6, 7, 9, okay. 1, 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 1 here. 6, yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left of the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between the only place left of the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Also 2 numbers left. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this big square. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 5, 5, okay. 4, 4. Yeah, 4 in the last. Oh, we have a pair. The 4 and the 8 in the last row. The 4 and the 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. Need a 9 here. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 3, 5, 7. Need a 8 there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. On the last column, the only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left for 8 should be there. I need the 1 here. Need a 5 here. 5 in the third row. 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So last column, no. Only place left for 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. And the 2 is missing. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next, and the last column, no, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers, 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 in that box, so 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. Then, let me see, I need a 7 and a 6, I believe. Yeah. Alright, and now, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, only place left for 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column, the only place level 6, should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 6, should be here. 7 and the 3, yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then 3 and 7. Well. 1 box left in this column for the 1, I believe it's 7, yeah. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. Also 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 9, we have a 2 now in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Wow. 3 and 7. Then I made a mistake. Oh. Yeah, also 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and the 7, we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. And the final number, no. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. And 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 7. Yes, finish in 13 minutes. Well, cannot believe this. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well. 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. Not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1 star. 0 stars puzzle, and we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also by myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.